Alright, so today me and Happy are heading out to an off-road quad trail. We're gonna go to the quad trail I did a video at not long ago. And we're gonna find maybe a new section of it, and hopefully get a good video out there. I think we can, no matter what. I mean, there's always something like that, a few clips, so we'll see. Alright, we're in a beautiful location now, completely out of town. Look at the weather out here. The wind's a lot less. It's beautiful. Look at this. This is why I wanted to leave town. I'm glad Happy was okay with it, because this is so much nicer. See, the quads just went through there. I'm gonna take a guess and say unless the storm did this, I think somebody's been in here recently. Oh no, this is a storm. Storm damage. Pardon? Mosquitoes? There. This place is sick. I'm so glad I found this the other day. Where is it? Not that way, this way. Alright. I don't know how this is gonna go if I go through this, but I'm sending it, dude. I hit it the other day when it was dry, but now it's muddy. Yeah, somebody was out here the other day because he's been reopened. Because I didn't hit this the other day, I don't think. Comment, guys, did I hit this the other day? I don't remember. I don't think I went out this far. Yeah, I did go out this far. This is a 6 spot. Where's Happy? There he is. Pardon? Cool. It's sick out here, dude. Not bad. If you go on the left-hand tire track, it's not going to be as muddy. Right. That one's drier. This one over here is a little muddier. So we went right last time. We're going to do that again. This is a giant hill climb, eh? Somebody reopened this the other day. It looks like they hit it.
Very cool.
It's fucking straight up. The other day when I hit it, I ran up it to check it out. Well, coming back down, it uncalibrated my camera from the stabilization because I put Rocksteady on. I was like, what the heck? Pardon? That's fucked up. So this part here, Happy, The other day was overgrown, but somebody's been here since the other day when I was here. So it looks like they tore it all up. So from here on, I don't know. Whew. Okay. Not too deep. That one's just slippery. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I missed a lot of those last time, guys. It's getting interesting. It's getting very interesting. Whew. My God. It's so wet right now. It just rained all night. This is sick right here, Happy. Going between tire ruts. Yo. If only that tree was in the way. Yep. That's scary with the tree there.
Oh, you can make it up there.
Oh yeah. I just worry myself.
Never rip, buddy. Get mosquitoes. Woo.
True woods. Whoa. Yo. Look how nice this is.
Sweet.
Sorry. I didn't know it was like that in there, dude. And then this goes back to that hill climb down, I'm pretty sure. The one that uncalibrated my camera last time. Oh, it's so beautiful in here, guys. I can't even express this. Just a little bit sketchy. Oh, yo, that was actually easy. Hunting cabin out here. Pardon? Yep. That's a climb up. That's another climb. That's another climb right there. Pardon?
Another time, I think.
Another time?
Yeah. Let's see up there, Brad.
That's what I was gonna go up there and do, is move that shit. Try and break that one off that's hanging. Yeah, next time. Let the quadders open it up more. So slippery. Whew. Wow. Whew. Pardon?
I love it.
It is sick. So you want to go? You want to go straight through? We can take one of the sideways back.
Up here?
Sideway back. Oh, that was that mud pit. That's one of the fun ones to go through. This is a sick spot, guys. I know I've said it probably like 10 times. Woo. Oh, we're coming back here more and more, I think, as these guys open us up more. We'll stay clean for the way back. I don't know if I just dusted Happy back there or not. He rides a lot of off-road like this, so I don't know. Whew. Oh, it makes collarbone sore. Oh, you hit a branch?
Where's my helmet?
Oh, really?
Take my helmet off. It's like, fuck.
I figured it's just because of the corners.
Got caught right here. It's like, oh.
Clotheslines yourself.
Almost took me off the bike.
That's a way out, I think. I seen that coming. Make sure my tires are still good, because I did smack some hard shit. Oh yeah, we're good. Let's go catch up, Mr. Happy. Oh, that's how you smack the mud off. Oh yeah, that's better. Balanced again. That's how you know the mud's off. Well, you said an off-road spot.
Cool.